too far this way, you're gonna fall. See? Okay, so show me how you pedal.
Okay.
You gotta try, remember?
When I got training wheels off, I got scared.
Oh, you. Look at you doing it all by yourself. Oh.
It's okay. It's okay.
You're gonna fall a couple times.
You're gonna fall more than a couple of times. You're gonna fall for all day. So get used to it.
I get used to when I fall.
Oh, there you go. Keep going. You gotta balance yourself. See, I can't hold it for you. Okay?
You gotta balance it. Okay, but it's just kind of like Dylan. You gotta balance it.
Yeah, you gotta do it. It's all you.
Okay,
That's me.
my horse is a demon.
That's still me holding you up.
Maybe it's best if we practice in the grass.